Before you start it, practice with flashcard video. And you can also download useful infographics from linkupnippon.com. Please check the description in below.
First, let's see question statement. The JLPT's vocabulary questions are written like this.
問題1、括弧に何を入れますか ?1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
In English, what do you put in the bracket? From 1 to 4, please choose the best one. Yes, all are choice questions. Now let's try an example. The answer is number 1. Let me explain this question. Now, let's see the question statement.
山田さんはが高いです。
Yamada-san something is high. Now, let's look at the choices. 4 body parts are presented. The best answer is number 1, Seiga takai. The other options do not use the word tall. Put the answer in and read the statement.
山田さんは背が高いです。山田さんは背が高いです。
Let's get started. After 20 seconds, the answer and explanation will be displayed.
では、始めましょう。窓の外から鳥の声が聞こえます。窓の外から鳥の声が聞こえます。
Kikomasu means I can hear you. And since the bracket is followed by the word tori, bird, the answer is number 3, voice. To means sounds, it is incorrect here.
私の犬は目が丸くてかわいいです。私の犬は目が丸くてかわいいです。
In this question statement, the speaker uses 2 adjectives to describe the dog, marui and kawaii. Since marui is e adjective, te form is maruku te. In the choices, the round body part is the I, number 4.
昨日雪が降りました。昨日雪が降りました。
This question is about the weather. The word for rimashita means it fell in English. The best choice is number 3, snow.
どんな動物が好きですか？犬が好きです。どんな動物が好きですか？犬が好きです。
In a conversational sentence, the question is what kind of do you like? To which the answer is I like dogs. What is the category? Since dogs are one of the animals, the answer is number 1.
川で魚を取りました。川で魚を取りました。
The question statement says, I took the fish. Where is the place to take the fish? The best choice is number 2, the river.
Hey guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And give me a thumbs up. Let's go to the next one.
Now let's see the next question statement. The JLPT's vocabulary questions are written like this.
問題に、河川の文とだいたい同じ意味の文があります。1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
In English, there is a sentence that means generally the same thing as the underlined sentence. From 1 to 4, please choose the best one. Now let's see the example.
今日は天気がいいです。今日は天気がいいです。
Tenki is the English word for weather. Good weather means sunny. The answer is number 3. Okay, ready? After 25 seconds, the answer and explanation will be displayed. By karada ga jobu, we mean healthy. In other words, it means being less likely to get sick. Let's see other choices. Typhoon is a typhoon. How is the weather during a typhoon? It rains and winds a lot. The answer is number 2. Let's see other choices. The problem statements say that the sky is blue. The sky is blue, that is, the weather is sunny. Let's see other choices. The question statement says that I have one dog in my home. In other words, there is a pet in this home. Therefore, the answer is number 1. Let's see other choices. Onaka means stomach. Onaka ga ippai means I am full. Therefore, this person has already eaten a lot. The answer is number 2. Let's see other choices.
Review today's words on the website linkupnippon.com.